Hey guys, how you doing? Gavin here. We're going to be doing the seated row, seated cable row. So if you've got an attachment like this, okay, adjust it to probably about knee height, okay? For me, it's about there. You grab yourself a box or a chair, and you're going to just position this just in front of the cable stack right there. So obviously in this studio here, there's lots of multiple stacks. You can do this anyway. You don't need a proper machine to do it. Then you need to grab yourself a straight bar, or this kind of bar, okay? And just attach it to the cable. Adjust the weight to something that's suitable for you. And what you're going to do, you're going to grab a seat just in front of the cable. So the cable should be about belly button height, or just in between basically your hip crease and your lower chest. Lean forward and sit back, so our back is nice and flat. Push my feet into the floor to give myself a nice stable base, and I'm going to just row it back. Bring the elbows behind my body, hold it for a second, and slowly take it forward. I can lean a little bit, and bring it back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together again, take it forward, and squeeze it. Again, slow and controlled. Fast in, 1, 2, 3, 4 out. And again, do this for the desired amount of reps for your goals. That's it from me, guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.